In this video, we're going to attempt to answer the question, how much do super affiliates make? Hey, I'm Dan Pine and welcome back. I'm also going to be dropping the name of a New York Times best-selling author who is basically a household name for a couple of other business models, and you probably did not even realize he makes a bundle of cash through affiliate marketing. More on that in just a second. But first, let's talk about how much do super affiliates make. That depends on how you define a super affiliate. There are, let's say, a couple of unconventional models for affiliate marketing that you may not even be considering. And these can include anything like a site such as NerdWallet that gives away financial advice. They talk about credit cards, loan rates, and they make money through affiliate links to the credit cards or the loan offers. That's right, an affiliate marketing website. Do they make a lot of money? You bet. I don't know what the exact numbers are, but it is in the millions, I am sure. Another example of this is Dating Advice, a website that gives away dating advice, and then they make money through affiliate links that they promote. PC Part Picker shows guys how to build the best PCs, tells them the best parts to use, makes recommendations, reviews different parts, and makes money through promoting these parts through affiliate links. The Points Guy, he's a guy who tells you how to get free stuff, free travel and perks through accumulating points on credit cards, stacking points in different ways, rewards, and he makes a bundle of cash by giving out advice, showing how to get all these points and using affiliate links to refer people to the cards and different memberships that they can use to get these points. Skyscanner is a website that you might think of a little bit like an Orbitz or a Kayak. It's a travel website, and when people book a flight through there, that's right, Skyscanner makes affiliate commissions from the airline every time someone books a flight. SafeWise gives advice on home safety, home security, carbon monoxide detectors, security systems, all of these type of things. They write articles and reviews on them, and that's right, they use affiliate promotions in order to make money. Now, in the more traditional internet marketing space, the big name affiliate marketers might include guys like Anik Singhal, Mike Filsaime, Jeff Johnson, Igor Kifets, and these guys all make, yes, 7 figures as affiliate marketers. There are also those who are big name gurus, and you may not think of them traditionally as affiliate marketers. They have their own products, their own courses, but they make a significant amount of their multiple 7-figure incomes from affiliate commissions by promoting other guys in their markets, products and services during launches and supporting them during launch. I would say that anybody who probably makes 6 figures could be considered in the super affiliate category. But it is possible for the big guys, when you go hard, to make 7 figures as an affiliate marketer. There are several names that do it consistently, and so yes, it is possible. Who is the big name New York Times best-selling author that makes a bundle of cash through affiliate marketing? Well, you may recognize the name of the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. That's right. If you're not on his list, you may not even realize that Robert Kiyosaki, even though he's famous for real estate and stock market investing as ways to make money, he makes a bundle of cash by promoting affiliate offers to his email marketing list. And you can do exactly the same. That's right. You can rip off, steal, funnel hack the exact process that Robert Kiyosaki uses to make a bundle of cash promoting affiliate offers by clicking the link below. Also, be sure to subscribe, because in the next video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you get rich using affiliate marketing? And I'm going to be brutally honest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, click on the link below to see the affiliate marketing strategy used by the big names like Robert Kiyosaki, Anik Singhal, Mike Filsaime, Jeff Johnson, Igor Kifets. Click on the link now and check that out.